This video will teach you how to create a hidden channel and add and remove students so you can have one-on-one or small group video meetings. So to add a new private channel, open your team and click on the three dots and click Add Channel. Give your channel a name, Video Chat with Miss Winnick. And make sure you change the privacy to private and click on Next. I'm going to click Skip for now. So now you'll see a new channel called Video Chat with Miss Winnick and a lock. Nobody else will see this channel because no one else has been added to it. To add or remove members, click on the three dots next to the channel name and click Manage Channel. You can add members, so you can add a specific student or more than one student. Click Add and click Close. Now that student or group of students will see this channel. When you click on the channel, you can start a Meet Now by clicking on the video icon on the bottom of the screen. And you could start a video conference with only those students, but you'll want to make sure that you tell them to click on that channel and click Join on the scheduled date and time. Make sure all of the students left the meeting, and then when you click out of it, they won't be able to get back in unsupervised without you. To remove the students from this channel, click on the three dots, click on Manage Channel, click on Members and Guests, and click the X next to the students' names. Now there'll be no students in this channel. The next time you'd like to do a small group or one-on-one, do the same thing. You'll click on the three dots, click on Manage Channel, add your members, click on the channel, and click Meet Now. And then you'll make sure all your students are out. You'll end the call. You'll click on the three dots, click Manage Channel, and you'll remove your students. And that's how you create a private channel and add and remove students as you'd like to chat with them.